Sinayanala ning Schools Division Office ning San Fernando reng 5 manimunang innovation king sektor ning edukasyon king meto nga seremonya inyang February 18 king Division Building king Civic Center king San Isidro Ciudad ning San Fernando. Penimunande din na Mayor Vilma Caluwag at Schools Division Superintendent Shirley Z. Pagan ing programa. Kayabe din na Regional Director Ronnie Malyari ning Department of Education Region 3 at opisyal ning Department of Science and Technology o DOST. Peg Maragulketi in pangatatag ning City of San Fernando Science High School ang magumpisang mag-operate king school year 2026 to 2027. Manampang ngating special curriculum king enhanced science, enhanced mathematics, creative technology at research. Kawani pa kareng manimunang subject agpangkang zipagan makabuklat yung application para kareng lungub a grade 7 o pioneer batch. Gawan yung pamananggap king application king February 20 at 27, 2026 king Dolores Integrated School. Pesinayin niya naman ng Learning Management System, Smart Classroom Initiative, Human Resource Information System at Smart School Attendance Monitoring and Operation System. Kapag nasana niting pasiknangan ng digital learning, pamag-monitor ng attendance at pamanyamasan king administrative processes king may git 60,000 na magaral king division. Agpangkang Regional Director Malyari, balaw siyang manimunang syudad kareng reforma king edukasyon. Samantala, sinigurad na naman ng DOST king suporta kareng programang makatutok kareng makabayong innovation. Dinikdik ng Kaluwag na manatiling prioridad ding syudad ing edukasyon kayag na ning kabulasan at obra lakwas na libutan ning panyulong ning teknolohiya. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balita ang tutuking Balen, susuyo.